Welcome to the municipality of IG, where history and natural beauty intertwine. Pedal through enchanting landscapes of meadows, vineyards, and villages, guided by the distant sound of church bells. Anticipation grows as the captivating story of the pile dwellers unfolds along the way. Immerse yourself in their ancient civilization, marveling at reconstructed dwellings and preserved artifacts. Embrace the enchantment of this beautiful place and immerse yourself in its rich heritage. Enjoy the ride. Discover the enigmatic pile dwellers, the ancient inhabitants of the Ljubljana Basin. Over 4,500 years ago, they crafted their homes amidst lakes and marshes, leaving behind traces of wooden houses, tools, and everyday items. Unravel their mysterious past through these valuable remnants, offering a glimpse into their unwritten history.